Namaskar. We all want to prepare good food for our family and we all want to feed them well. But sometimes, in our exuberance, our good intentions get waylaid. I'll give you an example. Well, fruits are good. They are good for everybody. They contain a lot of good phytonutrients. They contain fiber. They contain antioxidants. They also contain vitamins and minerals. So, I will give my child fruit juice every single day. And just so that I preserve the fiber content, I will not strain it so that everything else also remains there. Wrong. When you juice a fruit, you destroy its fiber structure. When you strain it after juicing, then obviously you lose all the fiber, and along with the fiber goes all the phytonutrients with good properties like vitamins, minerals, because all these things are attached with that fiber strand. So when you lose fiber, you lose all of it. If you happen to decide not to strain it, even then the fiber structure is already destroyed. Therefore, the nutritive qualities of the fruit have already undergone a sea change by the time you convert it into a juice and you try to serve it in a glass. So, bad idea all the way. Another example. I have heard that grains are good and they are associated with a long, healthy life. So, therefore, for my family today, I have made this pie dish. In this, I have used refined flour, which is a grain product. I have also used healthy fats. I have used butter and plenty of it because it is very healthy. I have also put lots of vegetables here, and we know vegetables are so good. So, this dish is very healthy. No, not at all. The minute you process a whole grain and convert it into refined flour, the dish is no more healthy in case you're using refined flour in your dish. Also, you are also using fats and fats in large amounts. And we know butter is full of saturated fats and oxidized cholesterol, which is very, very deleterious to heart health. So again, a bad idea. And not just have you used butter, you have cooked it, you have baked it at a high temperature, very high temperature. There is every possibility that part of it is already converted to trans fats. And in any case, it was rich in trans fats. So all the way, all the damaging things are there in your pie dish. For an occasional treat, this pie dish may be okay, but it is definitely not a healthy dish and it should not be had every single day. It's not healthy. I can give you n number of examples. Coconut, fresh coconut is very good. And in a study, it was found that the populations that are eating coconut are very healthy and they live a long, healthy life. So I've decided I'll put coconut oil every single day in my cup of coffee. No, bad idea. It's not happening at all. Fresh coconut is good. It is teeming with good things, phytonutrients. It has got plenty of fiber, vitamins, minerals, even fat soluble vitamins. And coconut water, we know, is so super rich in minerals and vitamins. But when you talk about coconut oil, when you have processed a coconut, a healthy food into coconut oil, all that you are left with saturated fats, mostly saturated fats, and all the fiber, vitamins, and minerals are already gone. You've already lost them. It's a bad idea. The gist of it all is that while making food choices, eat foods in their natural form, in their most natural form as we get them from Mother Nature. Try to process them as minimum, as little as possible. Minimally processed foods also lose part of their nutritive values, and ultra processed foods lose almost all of its nutritive value. Refined flour has nothing good in it, nothing good going for it. It is digested very quickly. Any ultra processed food is not only full of harmful toxic byproducts like trans fats, saturated fats, excessive oil, sugar, and unhealthy fats again, It also is very harmful. It is digested very quickly. It raises your blood sugar, and it doesn't, give you that satiety. You are not satiated even after a hearty meal, and you want to eat again. You eat several times over because you are still hungry even after eating a full meal. So when you're eating more, then you're consuming more calories, and there is every likelihood that you will be overweight. So the best thing to do is to use whole foods, predominantly plant-based when you're cooking for your family, and also use healthier methods of cooking. One more thing before I finish this video. How about eating some raw foods? How about including raw foods in your diet? So next time when you eat, try eating your fruits and vegetables like cucumbers raw. Raw foods not only have their complete nutrition profile intact, they are also very, very tasty. That's all for today's video. We will meet again in my next video. Please like and share this video, and please visit my page and press the like button. I want this information to reach maximum number of people so that maximum number of people get benefited. Don't fall for rhetoric. Check your facts before you believe something that you see on a social media platform. With this, I finish this video. And as I always say, take charge of your health, guys, and start right now. Namaskar.